University campuses can be like small cities that are challenging to navigate, leading students to miss important academic events like lectures, tests, and exams due to location changes. These absences can result in students carrying over courses, which negatively affects their overall GPA and adding extra time to their academic studies. The added pressure, frustration, and anxiety from having to carry over courses and spend extra years in school can become overwhelming for students and even lead some to drop out of their academic programs. We are Team Navist from Gombe State University, Nigeria. Solving for Goal 4 of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Navigation Assistance and Virtual Intelligence for Student, Navist, is a simple web app that aids students navigate through campus with ease and get free access to learning materials. It utilizes the use of Google Maps platform to provide students with real-time directions to various locations on campus. It uses Google Drive as storage location where students can get access and download study materials such as handouts, textbooks, past questions, and etc. It uses Firebase as its backend technology. Our goal is to see that we create a platform where students can get accurate directions to anywhere in campus, get updates on events happening on campus, and tailored reminders about academic activities such as lectures, tests, change of venues, or any other relevant activity. We believe that by doing so, we can be able to eliminate the chances of a student missing any important event which may tamper with his or her academic performance.